Hare Krishna. Today our satsang is what is the need of spiritualism for us? Because we are seeing one life that is dependent on karma, our efforts, and we are struggling very hard to gain money. And when money comes, we can live happily on our own accord. So there is no need of spiritualism, there is no need of God for our life. And we can happy by accumulating wealth through our limited efforts. And as such, the need of spirituality do not arises. Okay, due to some fear, due to some protection, we may need God. But that is also for our material life. So God means making a spiritual life and struggling so much, reading so many shastras, books, Gitas, Vedas, Quran, Bible. Why all so much strain is required? Do we really need spiritualism or not? That is the question. So dear devotees, let us first understand why you should be spiritual. You should be spiritual because you are spiritual. The body which is appearing through you is not your actual identity. It is made to believe to you that you are a body. Because it was not there and it will not be there in the future. So sustaining it, preserving it always, and giving pleasure to it more and more, and being attached with the bodily objects, sensual objects. An intelligent man may not be satisfied with this because the body itself is temporary. And what happiness we are searching is a permanent happiness. We don't want to lose ourselves at any cost in any relation even. We don't want to lose our body. We don't want to lose any our sensual objects of joy. We don't want to lose our bodily relations. But the thing is that the body itself is temporary. And if you start searching between temporary things and permanent things, you will see that everything in this world is temporary. Your body is temporary. Your childhood is temporary. Your youth is temporary. Your old age is temporary. And death is permanent. And after death, you don't know what is going to happen. And whatever you have accumulated in the total life with hard struggle can be taken at once from you without the notice and without the will of yours. That is very painful. So, somebody overtakes, some power overtakes us in all matters. We don't have our will and say here. So why all this happens? One is needed to go into it. You cannot be always an instrument for compelling situations and without any profit for you. Every time you are getting some birth, you don't know how you have been, and you are, according to situation, you are acting for survival, for happiness. and suddenly death comes and everything stops. And even before death, you have been overtaken by miseries, anxieties, lamentations, sorrows, griefs. So this also gives you a pain unlimited, and there is no ending for all this. So spiritualism provides an answer to this. Spirituality give you a relief from all these unanswered questions. And not only that, it also show you the way to get out from this entanglement, in this obliged condition, in this compelled, implicated conditions. So intelligent persons who are striving for truth, who are done with the lust, who are inquisitive for truth, goes with the spiritualism as the path of solace and happiness and absolute peace. And they find it very soon. So these material pleasures have a beginning and an end. They can be obtained only by hard struggle. And once they come, we want to hold it forever, and they again slip us from bringing us a separation, misery, grief, sorrow. So to overcome all this situation, you need spirituality. The spiritual path is beyond. It is your own nature. This material nature is not our nature. So my dear friends, try to be spiritual. And when you become spiritual, you make your friends spiritual. Because the joy has to be shared. And when you are in joy, why not others should be in joy? So give up this materialism, means karma process. Karma means you have to dig well, take water from it and use it. That is karma. You have to make efforts for money, and with that money you have to become happy. You have to be happy. And even after so many years, you will see that you are same thirsty person, hankering for sensual objects. Even if you have enjoyed it, you are still thirsty. That enjoyment is fuel to flame. So give up this petty weakness, temporary weakness, flickering happiness, and go for permanent solution for this. Surrender to Lord Krishna. Read Bhagavad Gita. There you will find all solutions. So there is a need of spirituality for everybody, because everybody is spiritual. Everybody is part of Krishna. And everybody is servant of Lord Sri Krishna. Thank you and Hare Krishna.